Warning, jump scares, bright flashing lights, and loud noises. What is up, guys? It's me, Mr. Nene, and today we are playing 90 Freddy with a flashlight. Oh yeah, and my brother. But like, okay. Anyways, we're gonna jump in and we're gonna play this. We played with Ricky before, but he's not here right now. But my brother is, so come on, let's go. Sorry if I'm sniffling. My nose has been messed up for the winter. Alrighty. I hear him. Oh my god! Well. Yeah, apologies for the nose. The winter is killing it. Alrighty. Oh. Well. No, sorry. Just don't. Oh, a flashlight. What? Oh, I thought I heard something. Now I hear him again, but I don't know where he's at. He's not behind me, is he? That's not good, I said that wasn't good. You're making me cry, man. Why are you so small? Why are you so small, dude? Alright, let's go. Come on. Am I echoing? I can hear myself on my brother's headset. Why is my flashlight like that? Okay, run. Where am I? I can't see. Uh-oh. Oh, flashlight, there we go. Alright, it's down there. I don't know why I'm following. Oh, that's why. No. Soon I'm gonna wrap it up. Ooh, let's get some headlights in here. Alrighty. My brother has a question. Yes? He said there's no. Oh my. There's one flashlight left. Apologies for the nose. The nose is starting up. Not today. Oh my! Oh my! Is he behind me? He's not behind me, is he? No, he's not behind me. Where's he at? Okay, I can hear him. He was behind me. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you had a great time, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.